Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can add a new page to any Google Doc from your mobile device. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put likes and write comments. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open on your phone, Google Doc. Select the document you would like to add a new page to. In the top right window, click on the three dots and turn on this feature right here, which is called Print Layout. At the bottom, click on the pencil sign. Click anywhere. And now at the top, click on the plus sign. Then you'll see a menu like this, and you have to scroll a little bit. And select Page Break. And now you can enter your text. I'm going to click on the check mark so you can see it. As you can see, here I have the page that I had originally. And at the bottom is a blank white sheet. This is the new page that I just created. This is the very easy way, folks, to add a new page to your Google document from your mobile device. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.